Welcome to 3404 Toone Street. I'm your host, Andrew Lair, and this is my newest listing located in the farthest southeast corner of the neighborhood. This home is in short proximity to all the major commuter routes and in walking distance to all the neighborhood nightlife and attractions. The home was awarded the Historical and Architectural Preservation Tax Credit, which saves home buyers nearly $9,000 a year on taxes. The home is truly unique. 16 feet wide, nearly 100 feet deep, 2-car parking, 10-foot soaring ceilings, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, rooftop deck, wet bar, and so much more. But don't take my word for it, come take a look.